Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Remington Ionic conditioning hairdryer for Frizz freestyling with diffuser and concentrator attachments. 2200 watt power. And the name of this device is D3190. Oh yeah, powerful 2200 watt full-size dryer for fast evident styling. Ionic conditioning for Frizz freestyling. 3 head and 2 speed settings. Concentrator, diffuser and cool shot function. Removable, easy clean rear grille and hang up loop. Everything is inside one device. Wow, this is a big, huge diffuser as you can see. Wow, this is massive. A giant diffuser. Wow, I'm so impressed. Now, let's take off the rest of our piece. Inside the box, you can see 2 paper books. One is instruction manual and the other is some information about the warranty, etc. Wow. So what we are going to get is we have the diffuser, of course. We have a concentrator and of course the air dryer, as you can see. Ooh, nice design. Nice grip, as you can see. A long lever. Ooh, and there is a hang-up loop of the bottom side. It's not so heavy. I like it really much. And the color is beautiful. It is really nice to get this color, black and a little bit of purple. On the back side, you can see the removable, easy, clean rear grille. And there the air will come into the van. Then the van will push it through the heating spot and then after this it will enter your hair to dry it. Wow, this is a beautiful device. I like this. So that means you have so many things. First step is wash and condition your hair as normal. Then squeeze out excess moisture with a towel and comb through. Hairsprays contain flammable materials. Do not use while using that kind of product. This is important. And you have a long wire. That means plug the product into the main power supply. And then you can start and use that kind of device. To switch this product on, press the speed settings up to medium speed setting. To increase speed, press switch up again to high speed settings. If you like to change the temperature level, then select the heat settings, press the temperature settings, switch to the low, medium or high selection. It is easy. But if you like for fast drying, use the high heat, high speed function. Yeah, easy as you can see. And this 2 spots, one switch is for temperature, one is for the speed, and the third is to have a speed version and a cool shut function. That means if you push this button, this will enable the cool function, the cool shot, and this will cool down the temperature a little bit or a lot, and then you can use this cool shot function easily, really easy. Here you can see how you can assemble the diffuser and of course the concentrator. You only thing you have to do is push it in position on the bottom or on the top side of your device, and then it is plug and play, easy as going. And now let's push the energy in and get and hear the sound of this device easily. Let's go. That was speed number 1. Let's head up to speed number 2 level. Okay, and step 3 was included. But I liked this sound. It was not so hard for my ears. It was a nice and quiet sound for hairdryer. I like it really much. And let's have a look to the cool shot.
Und hier, dort wird nochmal ein Boost abgegeben.
And this was the cool shot function. Easy as going. And the hot function I cannot show you. That you have to feel by yourself. So that it is the Remington Ionic conditioning hairdryer for Frizz, free starting with diffuser and concentrator attachments. 2200 watts, D3190. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and see you next time again. Here you can see the awesome big quad diffuser. Soon.